Holy Shatner! I got me one of these. Gonna make some better videos now. I made this thing here. Made that today. Made this one too. Probably mount this one on my truck. That way you can actually see the whole car going down the road. Pretty cool. I dig it. I'm gonna say hey to Zep. Hey Zep, how you doing, buddy? Miss you, big guy, little guy. He's my RC video watcher when I was in Kodiak. This is gonna open up a whole different world to do videos now, man. I'm excited. I'm stoked. It's cool. I'll be able to do some trails. I got that with my selfie stick, wherever I did with it. Probably put it in the other room. Get the selfie stick. Got a way to mount it on the bottom of the radio now. It's a solid mount to it. Tested it out today. Maybe I'll put a little video on this area right here, maybe somewhere. I don't know. Should be fun. If I can't, it won't be there. If I can, it'll be cool. That picture-in-picture thing, I never did perfect that. But yeah, this is a whole new world of making videos now. It's gonna be fun. It's cool. I dig it. Yeah, I took it out today. I did a little test with the camera to see how I could do that. Yeah, had a couple of zip back on the road, and that was cool. Too many cars. And then I did a little bit with the truck in the yard, but when I'm walking around with the yard, you can hear the crunch of the rocks in my driveway. Figure that out later. I don't know if you like the videos with the music, because I just found this little music thing, and I can make my own background music. I don't know if y'all like that or not. Sometimes it's cool, especially with this car. It's cool. It's a rock. But yeah, that way I don't have any of I get pinged for copyright and all that crap on this YouTube now. I can make my music. Don't bother with them. Yeah, I'm just having a good time with this thing, man. That's what it's all about. Fun, living life, man. I'm going to get off here to make this kind of short and sweet, so it don't have to be too boring. I don't know about you, but I like the white walls on these things. I was getting my little marker out, whiten them up. That's the first pair. I'll probably still use these, but those are. I'm gonna go until they blow, man. I'm gonna pop these. These are gonna be May pops pretty soon. Just shred them and see if they blow. Yeah. I definitely gotta wash it though. Holy Shatner! It's dirty. Should see inside. It's really dirty. I gotta clean it up. My truck, I got that all back together. For some reason, it just it sounds kind of grindy, but I don't know. No, because I messed with it. I didn't run through the water again. And anyway, I'm gonna get off here. Love y'all. I'm glad. Actually, thanks for all the subscribers. I didn't think I'd ever see over 50, and now it's over 50. That's cool. Appreciate y'all, man. Comment, man. Comment on here. I know you're out there. I've talked to several people just chatting, and it's been a hoot. There's a lot of people like me out there. Anyway, thanks, guys.